In the heart of Carthage, a city flourishing under the sun-kissed shores of North Africa, stood a young boy named Hannibal. Born to a noble family, he was destined to lead the Carthaginian Empire in the face of the encroaching Roman Republic. As the years passed, Hannibal's thirst for conquest grew, fueled by the constant clash of Carthaginian and Roman interests. The stage was set for a battle that would echo in history for centuries. The year was 218 BCE. Rome, confident and powerful, had provoked a war with Carthage after their forces collided in the Iberian Peninsula. Hannibal saw an opportunity to strike back, and with a cunning plan in hand, he set his sights on the Roman heartland. Hannibal assembled an army of 30,000 infantry, 6,000 cavalry, and 37 war elephants. He knew the challenge before him was immense, to march through the rugged peaks of the Alps and descend upon the unsuspecting Romans. The soldiers of Carthage followed Hannibal, their hearts filled with determination. They marched day and night, crossing rivers, scaling mountains, and enduring harsh winter conditions. The journey was fraught with danger, but Hannibal's indomitable spirit pushed them forward. As they reached the Alps, the soldiers faced their greatest challenge yet. The towering peaks loomed before them, their snow-capped peaks seeming insurmountable. But Hannibal, with the wisdom of a seasoned strategist, guided his troops through the narrowest passes, leading them across icy rivers and treacherous slopes. The journey was long and arduous, but Hannibal's determination never wavered. The soldiers, though exhausted and battered, followed their leader, their faith in him unwavering. After 40 days, they emerged from the mountains and set their sights on the plains of Italy. The sight of the Carthaginian army emerging from the Alps struck fear into the hearts of the Romans. They had never seen such a force, let alone one that had traversed the seemingly impassable peaks. Hannibal's daring march had not only demonstrated his strategic genius but also the resilience of his troops. The Romans, now facing the might of Carthage on their own soil, were forced to reassess their confidence. They had underestimated Hannibal, and now they paid the price. The battle for Italy had begun, and the fate of both empires hung in the balance. Hannibal's march through the Alps was a testament to his leadership, strategy, and the indomitable spirit of his troops. It marked the beginning of a new era in the ancient world, one where the Carthaginian Empire stood as a formidable force against the might of Rome. The stage was set for a conflict that would shape the course of history, a conflict that would come to be known as the Punic Wars.